Hello, this is the titanium carabiner made by Titaner. It's a company that produces different items from titanium, such as pens, carabiners, multi-tools, different EDC items and so forth. And this is the relatively small EDC carabiner made out of pure titanium. And wait, I'll show you a bit closer. This is the ring, by the way, made also by Titaner. But it doesn't come with this carabiner. It comes with different carabiners that I bought earlier. So you can see it's a very nice, simple design carabiner that is made out of titanium. And unlike from generic carabiners, it has a rod. Traditional carabiner has locking device, which is operated by spring, which is hidden in the silver part. It's like this, but sometimes they may fail. But this one doesn't fail. It will serve you a lifetime because it has a bent rod, which also has a very strong closure. It's a very nice small item. And the thing to mention also is this plastic box it comes with that you can use to store different items later. And I put the link into the description for this item, for this carabiner. You can go and check later. I'm sure that you will find lots of different items there that will be interesting for you. Like in my case, when I bought this carabiner 10 years ago at the website. Unfortunately, this one is now discontinued, but still serves me very well.